A is for apple, red and round.
A is for apple, red and round.
B is for ball, bouncing on the ground.
B is for ball, bouncing on the ground.
C is for cat, soft and sweet.
C is for cat, soft and sweet.
D is for doll, pretty and sweet.
D is for doll, pretty and sweet.
E is for egg, yummy to eat.
E is for egg, yummy to eat.
F is for fish, swimming so neat.
F is for fish, swimming so neat.
G is for girl, waving hello.
G is for girl, waving hello.
H is for hen, with lots of eggs.
H is for hen, with lots of eggs.
I is for igloo, cold and white.
I is for igloo, cold and white.
J is for jelly, wobbly and bright.
J is for jelly, wobbly and bright.
K is for kite, flying so high.
K is for kite, flying so high.
L is for lion, roaring in the jungle.
L is for lion, roaring in the jungle.
M is for moon, shining at night.
M is for moon, shining at night.
N is for nest, where birds take flight.
N is for nest, where birds take flight.
O is for orange, juicy and sweet.
O is for orange, juicy and sweet.
P is for parrot, who talks when we meet.
P is for parrot, who talks when we meet.
Q is for queen, wearing a crown.
Q is for queen, wearing a crown.
R is for rabbit, hopping around.
R is for rabbit, hopping around.
S is for sun, shining so bright.
S is for sun, shining so bright.
T is for train, chugging in sight.
T is for train, chugging in sight.
U is for umbrella, keeping us dry.
U is for umbrella, keeping us dry.
V is for violin, playing nearby.
V is for violin, playing nearby.
W is for whale, big and blue.
W is for whale, big and blue.
X is for xylophone, making tunes too.
X is for xylophone, making tunes too.
Y is for yak, furry and strong.
Y is for yak, furry and strong.
Z is for zebra, with stripes all along.
Z is for zebra, with stripes all along.